Hi guys, I appreciate you taking the time here today to learn about our new application called QAFarmer. Giving you a little background on the application itself and the reason why we built it. We really wanted to build an app that was purpose built for farmers by farmers. So just starting right here on the home screen, big buttons. Don't give me a lot of glitz and glam. I really just want nuts and bolts. This is the information. This is what I care about. Make it easy to consume and big buttons that I can push, large text so I can read it. All of those things came through loud and clear. So let me get started in settings. One of the biggest drivers of value that we've heard was that the alerts, especially around weather and grain, that's really where they're seeing the most value. This is what I recommend every user do when they first log into the system is they go into the upper right hand corner, that little person icon, go and tap that. So once you hit that, you'll notice it brings you into your profiles page within the application. Let's hit settings. It's going to pull you into your preferences. So at the top, you can pick a theme. So that's just the color palette, if you will, of the overall application. So you have auto, which is going to adjust either from light mode to dark mode, depending on what the brightness situation is of the day. So I'm currently in light mode, that's my preference. But if I select dark mode, for example, you'll notice that the color scheme changed quite drastically, but a lot of people enjoyed this view as well. But I prefer light mode, so I'm going to show the demo in that. But if you drop down to where it says alerts and notifications, we'll select the first one, hit weather alerts. This is going to populate all the things that we can send you an alert on, whether that's extreme cold, rain alerts, wind alerts, what have you. You could pick how you get these alerts in real time. They could be via text message, a push notification, or both. And you can change these elections, as you can see that I'm doing, whenever you really want to. You can have multiple selections. Sometimes you might want push, sometimes you might want text, sometimes you might want both, right? So I'm gonna hit save. So now you come back out and then you look underneath the alerts and notifications again. The next one down is grain prices. So let's select that. Once you come in here, it's the exact same look and feel. Pick text, push, or both, right? And you can toggle between whatever you want. Opening bell, midday, and closing bell. What that's telling you is whatever crops you select from the list that I'll show you later in the app, we will send you alerts based off of what the prices currently are for that commodity when it opens, where it's at midday of trade, and as well as closing bell of that particular trading day. I'm going to hit the back button in the upper left-hand corner again. It pulls you back out to the screen and settings. I'm going to drop down underneath that alerts and notifications again and hit the agronomy alerts. These are the things that are going to unlock the ability for you to push reports or recommendations to your particular growers. They can choose how they want to get notified. Text, push notifications, are both. You can hit save. It's going to save those preferences. Come back out. You can look at spray alerts. So this is, how can we help our customers understand if they're within a good window to apply something, whether that's a herbicide, whether that's a pesticide, fungicide, what have you. We allow you to set these parameters here. And then in the app, we actually have an hour by hour red light, green light, go, no go, for based off of the parameters that you set, it is a suitable time to spray or not. For example, like if it's cool and not very humid, probably not a great day to spray Liberty because you want that stuff to be fairly warm, decent amount of humidity. Okay, is there an inversion possibility today? But I don't want to be spraying dicamba, right? The only thing that I've set on here is just the wind speed, 12 miles an hour as a minimum, 17 as a max, just to show you that calculator. Hit save. Now come back, we're in the settings tab. That's all I'm going to show you in the settings tab. That's how you've set up all your alerts. So now you hit the back button twice in the upper left-hand corner and it brings you back to the main screen as you log in.